Okay, शायद वो भी आ गई without. She's there in the class.
Can I share the screen?
Okay. Vidhi ma'am, are you there?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, because some kids have a little internet issue over here. Your
Okay.
internet is proper, Vidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Today it's proper.
okay, fine. Just let me check if all the students are there, then we can have a class.
No problem.
Okay. Only Ali is not there, right? Khatija. Okay. So actually, I called you up to convey that maybe if we want, we can take the class on Monday, because here, because of the heavy rain, we couldn't take the class.
No problem, ma'am.
But if all the kids are here, then we'll continue the class. We'll take the class today.
No issues, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we draw some scribble sometime?
Yes, Khatija.
For sometime.
What you said, Khatija, I didn't hear.
Can we scribble for some time?
Can we scribble for some time? Okay. Our maths teacher is already over here. Okay. Can we do
Okay.
after the class? Is it all right, Khatija? Okay. Yes, Manha. What do you want to ask, Manha?
Which is this class?
This is a maths class, Manha. We are going to learn about maths. Vidhi, can you turn on your screen, Vidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Hello. How are you?
Great, ma'am. Very excited.
Oh, good, good. Nice to hear that.
Are the kids excited?
Just interact with them. Yes.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Kids, can we play some games?
Yes.
Okay. We have a maths class today. Instead of maths class, get shifted to some English class. I love English also, you know. So I was wondering, you know, last time I took the class, you were very interactive. Every student was very interactive, and I love this. You know, I love interactive students. Okay, so I'll give you one word. Okay, you have to just frame a sentence. Okay, and the word would be difficult. You know, you have to frame a nice sentence. Okay, can I start?
Yes.
Where's Umar? Umar, can I see you?
Umar, can you turn on your screen, Umar? Yes. Okay.
Okay, so we have Zainab. Zainab, I can't see you.
I think so. Zainab left. I will bring her back. Zainab, can you come on the screen? Okay, she's back.
Yeah. Great. So the first word I want you to frame a good sentence, a very good sentence I want, is, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What about the network issue? Do you know what is network issue?
Yes.
Okay. We have been facing a lot of problem, you know. So
Yeah.
yes. So let us frame a sentence on the network issue.
There's a network issue over here.
Very good. Rizwan?
Okay, she's Rizwani, Musfira Rizwani. Yes, I'll just.
Musfira Rizwani. You know, I have the same surname, you know. My surname is Rizwani and yours is Rizwani. We share the same surname. Great. Yes, Mustafa, can you tell me?
There is a net issue here.
This has been done. This has been done. A new sentence. Come on. Scratch your brains. Come on.
The network issue is gone.
Gone. Great. Okay, Muspera, you come on, tell me.
Two is very long.
Huh? Yes, Zainab, can you tell me?
The network is not working.
Network issues not working.
The network issue is my mobile network is not my network issue. My mobile network issue is not working.
See, you know what? Yeah.
My network issue is gone and my TV is not working.
Oh, great, your network issue is gone.
My network issue is gone. My mobile data is not my mobile data is not working.
Great, great.
Network issue in the Bombay. Ma'am, see, my
Okay.
network issue is
Okay, listen to me. You know, I have a quiz today. When we'll start with the maths class, we have a quiz today. We will answer it one by one. Okay? Who gives the correct answer? She or he will get a prize from my side. That's for sure. But
what
the
price?
rules. Yeah, I'll manage it. You don't worry about it. This will be a surprise. Okay? This will be a surprise. But the rules for the game would be no prompting in between, one by one, raising hand. I can see you, or you can raise hand, from the Zoom, but you have to raise the hand, no prompting. Okay. Then only we can, play the game. We can play the quiz. Okay. So everybody's here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, almost everyone is here. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no. Ali is not there.
Yeah,
Ali is not
maybe.
there?
Maybe he has internet issues. That is the reason he couldn't join. Maybe.
Okay. So can I start with the maths class, or should I continue?
Please start. Please go ahead.
Okay. Today we will learn about shapes. God loves shapes. You can see everywhere. You see everywhere around. You will see some different shapes. What is this? Can you tell me what is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, right? This is a shape. Okay, but this is not a rectangle exactly. We'll study further. This is a rectangle, right?
Yes, the small one is a rectangle.
And what is this? See, you can see a rectangle here, you can see rectangle here, you can see rectangle here, you can see rectangle here, right?
Yes.
This is a flat one, right? This is a flat one, exactly flat, right? You can draw it on a paper. If I tell you to draw on your book, you will draw a rectangle. But if I tell you to draw this, can you draw this on your book? No,
yes.
right?
No.
You may draw it, but not very easily. Just with 4 lines, you will not draw it, right? But this, you'll just draw 4 lines. We can see 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you will draw it, right? So there's a difference between this shape and this shape, right? Hey, yes, yours very this pink. I love this pink color envelope. Lovely. Okay, so this shape, which is flat, totally flat, this is called a 2D shape, 2-dimensional shape. What is this? Everybody?
2D shape.
2-dimensional.
2D shape.
Yeah. 2-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes. Okay. So let's learn more about 2D shapes. Okay. Ma'am, I just wanted to share this PPT. Hello. Okay. Yes.
What is 2D shape?
We'll learn about this. Okay.
Yes. Vidhi ma'am, now maybe you will be able to share. I'm so sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So what I told, a 2D shape would be any shape which is flat, you know, which you can draw on your book, you know. If I tell you to draw a circle, could you draw a circle on your book?
Yes.
Yes. You can draw a square. These are all 2D shapes. We'll learn one by one.
Triangle, diamond.
Yes, very good.
Rectangle.
Yes. What is this?
Ma'am, can you make the screen big?
Pentagon. 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 And octagon.
Yes. So we'll learn shapes one by one. Okay. What is this? Can you see? Triangle. Right. So how many sides does a triangle have?
And three.
Three. Very good. Okay. Now, what is vertex? Can you see this vertex? What is vertex? Do you know what is vertex? Vertex is something where two sides are connected. Okay. So when you draw a triangle, right? When I draw a triangle, okay. So Khadija, can you unmute yourself? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now, can you tell me how? What is vertex? Vertex is something where two sides are connected to a point. You can see this corner. You can see this corner.
Yes.
Yes. So where two sides are joined together like this, you have a corner. This corner is called a vertex. Okay. Can you tell me how many vertex does a triangle have? I'll ask one by one. Let's ask from Mana. Mana, are you there? Mana? Okay.
Yeah.
Mana, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me how many corners or vertex does a triangle have?
Triangle.
Yes.
Triangle 3.
3. Yes, very good. We have 3 sides and a 3 corner. You can see, right? We have 3 sides and a 3 corners. Okay. Now, let me start with some triangles. Do you see triangle shape in your day-to-day life? Have you seen a triangle shape in your day-to-day life? Muspira? Have you seen any triangle in a day-to-day life? Muspira, can you unmute yourself? I want everybody to unmute yourself, okay?
Yes.
So okay. Can you tell me any triangle shape you have seen in your day-to-day life? Tell me.
Triangle shape. Triangle
Yeah.
shape.
Yes, triangle shape. Zena, can you tell me?
No, I cannot. I don't see.
Okay, I'll show you. Have you eaten a piece of pizza?
Yes, and watermelon and
Yes, and the instrument, you know, there's a, who one is doing this? Please stop doing this. Please
the
don't stop.
watermelon also is
Ma'am, I cannot see
and
the screen.
watermelon is a full
Ma'am,
and
I cannot see
watermelon is
the screen.
oval shape.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
You cannot see the screen now? You can see the
Ma'am,
screen?
egg is oval shape.
Egg is oval shape, yes, but I'm talking about triangle shape, right? We have,
Yes.
we have a piece of sandwich, we have piece of a pizza, we have a piece of watermelon. There are so many triangular shapes you can see, right? Now let's learn about
Doritos wafer have triangle shape.
Yes, and you know, I love them. I just love them. You know, nachos you eat, nachos, even nachos are triangular shape. Okay?
Yes.
Now let's learn about some more shapes.
Your house, Natasha. I'm cat.
Okay. Now, can you tell me which is this shape?
Square.
Square. And which is this shape?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Just a second. Who cannot see the screen?
Me.
Me. And that's
Is it Umar? Is it Umar?
Yes.
Umar, we all can see the screen. Can you log out and log in again because it's an internet issue? It's all right. We will wait for you,
Now
Umar.
I can see the screen. Now I can see.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Umar.
okay. Can you tell me what is difference between a rectangle and a square? Why is rectangle different?
The rectangle is long than the square.
It's not like that, but right, it's a bit lengthy, right? Its length and breadth are different. Okay, I'll tell you. The square, all the sides of a square, you can see this. There are 4 sides, you know. All the 4 sides are of a square are equal. The side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. All the sides are equal. Whereas in rectangle, the opposite sides. What I mean by opposite side? If I take a rectangle, this side is opposite to this side, and this side is opposite to this side. To what I mean, see, in a square, all 4 sides are equal. But in a rectangle, the opposite side, the length and the length is equal to breadth and the breadth. Breadth and the breadth is equal to length and the length. So these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. But if I consider a square, see, if I fold this to a square, all the 4 sides are equal.
Square.
Yeah, this is square. But why it is a square? Because all the sides of the shape are the same. This. All the sides are of equal length. But if I take a rectangle, these 2 sides are of the equal length and these 2 sides of the equal length. Are you clear with the shapes? The difference between a rectangle and a square?
Yes.
We will have a quiz, you know. I'll ask you about the shapes. Okay, can you tell me how many vertices does a square have?
Square has ma'am, balloon is oval shape.
Okay, balloon. What about the square?
4 sides square have.
4 sides. And vertices, what do you mean by vertices?
We fold and make a square.
But tell me, what about the vertices? Yes, that's Mana, that's so nice of you. Mana, you get 1 point. 1 point for raising your hand. Yes, Mana, tell me.
Ma'am, this is not same size.
Very good.
Same size.
Yes, very.
But rectangle has not same size, but square has same size.
But what about the vertices? Yes.
Ma'am, someone is doing this thing.
But ma'am, see, rectangle.
Very good. Hey, that's nice. Musfira, that's really nice. Ali, can you tell me what a vertices?
Ma'am, see, my pouch is rectangle.
Hey, great. Lovely pouch you have. Okay, how many vertices does a square have?
Square,
You know what I mean by vertices? Vertices again in the corners. The corners where 2 sides meet. So how many vertices can you see?
The triangle have 4 corners and 4 sides.
My book is rectangle.
Very good. But how many corners does the book have?
4.
4. 4, right?
My mobile is rectangle.
Hey, great. Lovely. Umar, can you tell me?
What?
Can you tell me how many corners does the square have?
And
4.
4. Very good. Zena?
my door is rectangle.
Door. Yes, I was about to come there. Zena? Zainab, can you unmute yourself?
Zainab, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, rectangle.
What is
Rectangle.
Zainab, can you tell me a rectangle shape or a square shape you have seen?
Man,
Triangle.
French fries is rectangle.
Oh, great. I'm feeling hungry, you know. Now after I want to have French fries. Yes, Zainab. Can you tell me?
I'm eating my homemade.
Wow. Pillow. A pillow is a great, lovely. You guys are very creative. And Shabana, can you tell me?
Something. Ma'am, see.
Umaima.
Rectangle.
Umaima.
Ali, where were you, Ali? Ali, today you're quiet. You're not answering me today.
Ma'am, see rectangle.
Yes. I can see you.
Ma'am, rectangle.
Very good. Hey, great. Yes, Mana, I can see your rectangle. Okay, let's start with another shape now.
Circle shape.
What is this?
Hexagon.
Pentagon. Okay, how many sides you can see?
The hexagon has 5 sides.
Very good. But 5 sides, Mana, I can't hear you. You know, I can
The
see you. But I
hexagon
can't hear you.
has 5 sides and 5 corners.
Very good. Umar?
Ma'am, you can hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you now. Great. Zainab,
Yes.
have you seen a pentagon? Any
Yes.
object with a pentagon shape?
Yeah.
This one is tricky. Come on. Who can answer me? Raise your hand.
Clock.
Huh?
Clock.
Clock. Very good. Who said this?
Zainab.
Zainab. Very good. See, that's why I'm asking you. Raise your hand and then give me answers. Otherwise, you won't get points, you know. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes.
Vidhi ma'am,
Yes,
Umaima
Zainab.
is raising hand.
Yes. Yes, Umaima.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have rectangle.
Yes, Umaima.
My button is rectangle.
Hexagon with
But I want
pentagon.
pentagon. I want any object with pentagon. Have you seen a pentagon shape object?
Yes, pentagon,
Huh?
pencil, use it with the mobile.
Oh, yes. Great. I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Let's see. Okay.
I have a shape game.
Shape game. Great. Lovely. Yeah.
You want to put the shape in the right
Place.
position. In the
I
right
have that game.
place.
Okay. See. Can you see all the pentagon shapes? Football. Football has a pentagon shape, you know. Can you see?
Yes.
Zainab.
I have ball, but I don't go.
Stadium also
I cannot go to out
Yes.
in the
yes,
terrace because network.
But
go.
not every football is have pentagon.
Ma'am,
Football is not
everybody to raise hands and
Ma'am, ball is
then
pentagon. I know, but I cannot go to my terrace because
great.
I got an net go. That's
You
why.
don't have to,
Pentagon, ma'am.
you don't have to get the
Ma'am,
object, just
football
name
is
it.
not a pentagon.
Yes, very good. Who said this? Who said this? Can you
Me,
name
Umar.
Umar, very good, very good. Thank you. I was about to tell, ball is not a pentagon shape, but this black and white, you know, the shapes are of pentagon.
See,
Umar, a big clap for you. Yes.
ma'am, can I show you? Look, no charging.
Great, Umayma. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, everybody look at Umayma's ball. You can see the pentagon shape drawn with different colors. You have red color, yellow color, green color pentagons. That's really nice.
Pink color.
Pink color. That's my favorite, you know. Okay, let's go to some other shape. What is this? What is this?
Hexagon.
Very good, very good. And how many sides does hexagon have? Can you count it for me?
Six
corners and 6 sides.
Very good.
Five sides and 5 corners.
6 corners.
Okay, Musfira, can you count it for me? Great.
Okay.
Umayma, very good. Musfira, can you
1,
count it for
2,
me?
3, 4, 5, 6. Six sides and 6 corners.
Very good. So,
I also have the same thing, ma'am.
very good. See, Umayma is showing a nice hexagon, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. You can see the pencil, you know. A pencil is a hexagon, you know. This part is a hexagon.
No, hexagon is not a pencil is not a hexagon.
Nah, I'm not talking this pencil. I'm this part of the pencil. You know, the
Ma'am,
when the pencil is not sharpened.
Ma'am, my pencil has 6 sides and 6 corners.
Can you show me? Can you show me? Yes, see, Musfira is showing it.
Honey wax is not a hexagon.
And what? See,
Wax.
1,
Honey wax
2, 3, 4, and 5, 6.
Okay, now everybody quiet. Let's clear the doubts. You know, somebody has some doubts.
Shifu's globe is the
Yes.
pentagon.
Yes, what's the name?
No,
What's the name?
a wax is not a hexagon. The ball is not a hexagon.
Again, ball is not a hexagon, but the shape, the black and white shape is sometimes a hexagon, you know. Sometimes it's a pentagon, sometimes there's a hexagon in the ball, you know. You can see different shapes on the ball. Okay, this weight, you know, have you ever seen this?
The screw nut is a screw is a hexagon.
Okay, I think some of you have doubts. So let's keep quiet and listen to the doubts. Anybody having a doubt? There's UG, someone name is UG. Who's
What?
a boy with a white shirt, you know. He's not in the list now.
Umar Jadwin.
Umar.
Not Umar. It's Umar, yes, Umar, right. Umar, you have some doubt?
Ma'am, a wax is not a hexagon.
I can't hear you. Can you repeat it?
This honey wax is not a hexagon.
Honey wax. Honey wax is not a hexagon. There's a fish tank. There's a, you know, you can, it helps in weighing things, you know. There's a screw. You can see small screws, you know. Let's get into other shapes. What is this? Can you count this? Octagon. Yes. Ali, can you count it for me? How many sides does the octagon has and how many vertices does it have? Ali.
8 corners and 8 sides. 8 corners and 8 sides.
Very, very good. Now,
I count first.
I can't.
I count first.
You came first.
Corners.
You counted first. Oh, great. Very good. Now we'll have a test. We'll have a quiz now. Okay. I'll ask you a few questions. You just have to name them. Okay.
Okay.
I'll start. I'll start with Mana. Mana, you have to answer my first question. Okay. See, there is a riddle, I'll give you a question in the form of riddle. I am a shape and I have 4 vertices.
What is this? What you say?
See, I am a shape and I have 4 vertices or 4 corners. Only Mana has to answer it.
Square. And I can
You cannot. Okay, can you hear me clearly now?
I'm square.
Very good, Mana. Very good.
I'm not Manha, I'm Mustafa.
Mustafa, you're not supposed to prompt, it's a quiz, Now Mana will get a point. Mana, come on, tell me, Mana, what is the answer? I am a shape. I have 4 corners or 4 vertices. Name the shape. Square. Only square?
No, rectangle also.
Yes, that's really nice. You get 1 point. Now, Ali, a next question for you. Name any object you like in a triangle shape. Ali, anything you like, any triangular shape you like, any object with triangular shape you like. You can't say take so much time, You have to answer me immediately.
Cannot see your face.
Can you see my face now?
A
Ali,
triangle fan.
A triangular fan. Okay, I haven't seen a triangular fan.
Oh.
I can see now. Okay.
Rectangular seashells.
I know.
Any triangular shape.
I like my rectangle seashells.
Seashells. Oh, great. Who's this?
Nachos.
Oh, great. Nachos. Oh,
Cube.
this is my favorite now.
In the sand there is so much
Huh?
sand.
Sand, but sand is not triangular. Come on, you lose the point. Come on.
The triangle, the pyramids.
Pyramids. Oh, lovely, lovely. That's really nice. Now, next would be Mustafa. Mustafa, it's your turn now.
Yes.
Mustafa, can you tell me any shape which has six sides?
Pentagon.
Six. I said 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good. Now let's go to Umaima. Umaima,
Yes, ma'am.
see, I am a shape. You I am a shape with 8 vertices.
Hexagon.
I said 8.
Octagon.
Hexagon. Yes. Okay. Now, Khadija, it's your turn now. Khadija, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yes. Can you name any object with octagon?
Octagon.
Yes.
I do
Come on,
not have an octagon.
You don't just have to name it.
No. I can tell it. Pentagon. Name.
Okay, tell me pentagon.
I know the name.
Tell me.
I
Come
know
on,
the
quickly.
name.
Quickly, come on. The question is any object where you can see octagon.
I know it is simple.
Very simple, you know. Come on. Khadija, can you name any object? You know, we have done so many.
I can tell it.
Let her answer first. Oh, I can see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not octagon.
Four sides, 6 sides.
Acha, how many sides does octagon have? Ali, can you tell me? Ali, how many sides does the octagon have?
Octagon has 8 corners and 8 sides. And
Very,
shape, it is jumping jack and a clock.
very good. Jumping jack and a clock. Very good. Okay. Musfira, where are you? I can see a teddy. Very cute teddy, you know. You're playing with a teddy bear.
Full family.
What?
Full family I have.
Ma'am,
Oh, great. That's very
can I
cute.
say? Ma'am,
Yeah?
can I say?
Please tell me.
Octopus.
Octopus. Okay. It has 8 legs.
8 legs.
Yeah.
Spider.
Okay.
Spider.
Okay, great. Now, I have one more quiz, you know. Just give me a second.
First.
Okay. Can you see what is this?
Cube. Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. It is square in shape.
It is not square in shape. Okay. What is this?
A box. Small
box.
box.
A box.
Okay. So which is this shape?
Rectangle.
Okay.
Rectangle.
Which is this shape now?
Circle.
Circle. Very good.
I have circle shape.
Okay, very good. But tell me how many sides?
Every shape.
Circle shape.
Okay. Okay, tell me how many sides does the circle have? How many sides? Can you see any sides, any corner?
No side.
No. Zero.
0 sides and corner?
Man. See. Circle.
Corners also
Hey,
zero.
great.
One have circle.
Great. So how many sides does 0 sides and 0 corners?
See.
Yes.
My teddy bear face. Circle shape.
Yeah, it's not exactly. It's circle, I think. Okay, but we can say that it has a one curved line. It's a curved line, right? Very good, Mama. See, we can say this circle has one curved line. Can we say this? One curved line. It does not have a straight line.
Yes.
It has a curved line.
We use for one curved line also. We can
Yes.
set to the circle.
No, I want everybody
Nancy,
to mute
circle
yourself.
shape.
Everybody mute
We
yourself.
already
Quickly,
called
fast.
circle.
Nancy, circle shape.
See the circle shape.
Come on, quickly mute yourself. Come on.
Nancy, circle shape.
Very good. Come on, quickly mute yourself.
Nancy.
Okay, everybody's muted. See, this is a very, very tricky thing,
We
you know.
can
I don't want any kind of prompting now. Just listen to me. It's very tricky.
Nancy, circle shape.
This circle shape has one curved line. We won't say that it has 0 sides, but we can say that it has one curved line, you know. And if I take an oval shape, I don't have oval shape at my place, but when you say when you see at an egg, you know, an egg is of an oval shape. Okay. Now again, egg has no corners, no sides, right? But it has one curved line. So we will say 0 sides,
Ma'am,
0
oval.
corner. Yes, Umema. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana. Yes, Mana. Tell me.
Zainab's Headphone is a circle.
Headphone, yes, it's a circle shape. Great. Now, you know what you do today? Look around yourself, you know, see which sides, which shapes you can see around you. Okay?
Ma'am, see, so small shape.
I can't hear you. Okay. Now,
See my small circle shape.
Ma'am, this headphone
Yes.
is circle shape.
that's nice. Now, see what I mean to say. These shapes we have done: rectangle, square, triangle, octagon, hexagon. You can draw it on your book, you know. And this is what I call is 2D shapes. Can you hear me?
Red triangle. I see a circle.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly.
Okay.
Vidhi ma'am, we can hear you.
Yes.
And someone left.
Someone left?
I see head.
Okay, no issues. We will continue. So these all shapes we have studied, they are two-dimensional shapes. Okay, now we'll go with three-dimensional shapes. You know, this I said you can't draw it on your book.
Hexagon.
Huh? But you have to tell me the shapes
Ma'am,
tomorrow.
I can draw a cube.
You can draw a cube with four sides.
On a paper. I can
On a
draw.
paper. Very good. Very good.
Circle shape.
See what I said? Just mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
see
Just
circle
mute
shape.
yourself.
Ma'am.
Come on, you will lose your points, you know. Come on, mute yourself. We have a doubt. We will have a doubt session. Come on, fast, mute yourself. Ali, mute yourself. And Ali, I want you to look at me, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana.
what is this shape?
We'll come. You know, I'm about to go with this shape now. Okay. Let's start very quickly. You know, we have this shape. This you can see. These are all 3D shapes. They are three-dimensional shape. Why it called a 3D shape? Because we don't have there are 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and a height. You know, so they are not flat. You know, not flat as this is a flat thing, completely flat, but it's not flat. You know, you can see all the sides. You know, there are so many sides, there are so many dimensions.
It's a cube. It's a cube.
Yeah, but there's only this 3D shapes. It's not only cubes. You have cubes, you have cuboid, you have many shapes. So let's start with 3D shapes. But are you clear with the 2D shapes? Like what is triangle, what is a square? Everybody, I think it's very clear. So let's go quickly with 3-dimensional shapes. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Let's first study with the 3 new concepts we have. We have faces, we have edges, and we have
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, it's very clear.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you make the screen large?
Large, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's large now.
No.
Now?
Can you make it F5? Control F5, sorry. Can you click Control F5?
I've done that. Just a second.
Okay. Maybe sometime it doesn't work. It's all right. You go ahead.
Okay. See, what I mean by vertices, we are very clear with the vertices, you know, the corners we have, you know. So let's go with edges. You know, what I mean by edges. See, first let us learn what I mean by face, you know. Okay, what is this, you know, this part? Can you see me? Okay, Ali, can you tell me which is this shape you can see? Ali, unmute yourself and tell me.
Circle.
This circle? This shape?
Full.
Not full. This one. Only this.
Red triangle.
Okay. Mana, can you tell me what is this shape?
Ma'am, I can't see.
Okay. Mana, which is this shape?
You just step to the screen. No.
Rectangle shape.
Rectangle shape. Right? So let us count how many rectangle shapes
I
we
can-
have.
4. 4 sides and 4 top.
Okay. But how many rectangles does this have? This box has, you know? We can count. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. You can take any box, you can count it later, but it has 6 faces, 6 rectangles. So the face, a shape you can see here is a rectangle shape, and we have 6 rectangles. Okay? Sorry, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. But when I take this, okay, so this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, right? So we have 6 rectangles and 6, these are called the faces. I want everybody to mute yourself. Immediately you have to mute yourself. After answering me, you have to mute yourself. Okay. So we have 6 rectangles. So this rectangle we call as this is a face. This is a face. This is the face. This is the face. We have 6 faces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And how many corners? Let us count the corners now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 corners, you know. And corners we will say vertices. We'll no more use word corner. We'll use vertices because we are big now, you know. We have grown up. So these are the vertices, and we have 8 vertices. Umaima, can you unmute yourself? Umaima? Umaima, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Umaima, can you see the corners?
Yes.
Okay. Can anybody tell? There's a cube, you know? How many faces does it have? You know, faces. I mean to say this is a face, this is a face, this is the face. Okay. Mana, can you tell me, Mana? Yes, Mana, tell me.
Cube has 6 cube.
6 what? 6 faces. Right?
Yes,
This is
yes.
the face. This is a face, you know?
4.
Yes, Ali? Ani, can you tell me what do you mean by face? How many faces is a cube? What I mean when I say faces? You know? Let Ali answer first. Ali, tell me.
6, ma'am.
6? Very good.
Yes.
Zainab, can you tell me how many faces does it have?
6.
6. And how Umar, can you tell me how many corners or how many vertices does it have?
6.
Umar,
6.
I want Umar to say.
6.
Umar,
4. Yes.
Umar, how many corners you can see? How many vertices in a cube you can see?
Ma'am, I know.
6.
Oh, Zainab is carrying a cube. Zainab, keep on counting the count for me. How many corners does a cube have? Ali, can you tell me?
4.
Umar,
6.
sorry, Umar. Who said 4?
Omar, can you sit for me, Omar, please?
6. Me, I said. I said. 6.
Just name me. Who said 4 sides? Can I have a name?
And my cube has 5.
Mana said
8 corners and 6 sides. Has 4 corners. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8 corners.
8
6
corners.
sides.
Very good.
It has
Then,
6 sides.
Zainab, have you
6
counted?
sides.
Tell me. How many corners?
In mine it's a 5.
5. What 5? 5 corners or 5 the spaces?
5 faces.
Let's count
In
again.
mine is 4 corners. 3.
4 corners. Okay, we'll count.
5.
Mana, tell me. Mana, can you count it for me?
What?
Faces.
It's 6.
Okay. Zainab, can you count it for me? Corners. Zainab.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. See?
Ma'am,
You said it has 6 sides, okay?
1,
And
2, 3,
Umar, come on, get up
1,
and tell me.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mustafa,
And
I
then
can't see
6 sides.
6 sides? No?
Six.
Yes,
Yes,
6
there
sides.
are
Yes,
6
yes. Very good. Now let us take this box,
6 sides and 6 corners.
Very good.
I have a box also.
Very good. Same box,
I
Yes.
use it for this box.
Okay, count.
We
count.
also have 6 corners, 8 corners and 6 sides.
Very good. But you know what do you mean by edges? You know what I mean by edges? See. Now, this I call as an edge. This line I call as an edge where two faces meet. Can you count me these lines? Anybody, you have a book at take any kind of book. Omar, can you get up, please? Omar, you have to sit. You have to sit. You don't have to lie down. Take a book, and count the number of sides. These sides are called as the edges, where these two faces meet. Come on, very quickly. Umar, you're feeling sleepy? Come on, take a book and start counting the number of sides, Take a box, any box you have. Zainab, don't take a pouch, it would be a bit confusing.
A plus. Ma'am, this box is fine.
Which one?
This box.
Yeah, it's fine, you can count it. Count the number of, these lines, these sides, edges, I mean to say. Yes, Umayma, you can count. You can start counting the number of lines, the edges here.
It is 6, ma'am.
No, you
Ma'am.
have to count. You have to count edges.
2, 3, 4. 1, 6, 7, 8, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 sides. 8, ma'am.
No, they are not 8.
Ma'am, my box has line 4.
4.
6. 1,
This
2,
box has 8 sides.
4.
I want everybody to raise their hands or tell me your name. Can I answer? Just ask me. Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask Ms. Viral
Yes.
Ismani?
Yes, answer.
See, my box has 4. 1 minute.
Manna?
1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4.
4 sides.
Okay.
4 sides. My box has line 4.
See. Can you see my box? Can I count on my box?
Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You also have 4 lines.
Ma'am, it's already time
Can we wrap up the
to wrap up the
session?
session.
Yes. Let us see some more shapes, you know.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I have square stool. Can
Okay.
I count it?
We'll count it later. I'll count it for you. Let me see. See. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Right? When I come here, I have one more. 5, 6, 7. Right? You have to call all the lines. You know, all the lines you can see on the box.
All the lines.
All the lines you have to call. These lines are called edges, and these edges, when I count, they are 12 in number. When I say there are 12 in number.
6, 7, 8. Ma'am, my box has 8 lines. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, square has four sides and ma'am, see.
No, you can keep counting and you can tell me later on. And you have to count on a cube, and on the box and tell me later on. Okay? Now,
Ma'am,
please
see.
summarize what you have
1,
learned.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Then here is 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Very good, Musla. Very good. Very good. That's perfectly right. We will just summarize what we have done. We have learned 2D shapes. What are 2D
Ma'am,
shapes?
1 minute.
2D
I
shapes. Yeah.
see. One more. I know.
This is the homework for you. No, keep counting. This is the homework, and you can give me your answers later on.
Ma'am, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Very good. Very good. And we'll not say lines. These are edges. What are these? These are edges. I have some more shapes, you know. This is a, you can, you know, this is a homework for you. Okay. Plus, we have some more 3D shapes. What is this? What is this? This is a cap. A hat. A birthday cap.
Ma'am,
Is this
my
shape?
stool. My stool. 9, 10, 11, and 12.
I can see you. I can see you.
You can see.
You don't have to take a spoon. You will take a box or a cube and
This
count it
is
for me
1,
next time.
this is 2, this is
Musfira, can we listen to me, ma'am? Musfira?
11, 12.
Okay, now listen to me. We just need to summarize, you know, otherwise you will get everything. I want everybody to mute yourself, otherwise, you know, you lose your points. Come on. Mute yourself fast.
Okay.
Okay, so we have learned about 2D shapes. What are 2D shapes? Shapes which are flat, you know, they are flat like this. And 3D shapes are this, you know, you have 3 dimensions. You can see. So we have learned rectangle with 4 sides, square with 4 sides, and 4 vertices, a triangle with 3 sides, with 3 corners or vertices. We have learned about hexagon with 6 sides, pentagon with 5 sides, and octagon with 8 sides, you know. And we have learned many objects. So everybody's clear with 2D shapes, I hope.
Ma'am,
Yes? Mana?
2D shape is this rectangle,
Huh?
triangle,
Yes?
square,
Very good.
and circle.
Very good. You are a mini teacher for me now. You have collected all the objects for me. Thank you so much, Mana.
And
Ma'am, I'm done, I think.
Yeah. Okay. We'll end the meet now. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
And please say thank you to your Vidhi ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Remember your homework.
Bye.